Today we talk about how can you add status message on your Qanda app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on my page. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then you click here on edit profile. Then you come to this list. Then all you have to do, you just go down. You click here on status message. In there add status message here. When you're down, just click on save. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.